download and register the account. CFMOTO RIDE is available in the App Store and Play Store. After the app is installed, enter your country or area and agree with the privacy and police agreement in the app. You may register the CFMOTO RIDE account with your email or phone number. If you registered the CFMOTO RIDE account by email, then you are also able to bind your phone number with it, and vice versa. You can bind your phone number or email after tap on the Account and Security section in the Settings page. CFMOTO RIDE also provides the Virture experience. You may check the CFMOTO RIDE functions without registration or login.